Alright, so look, got a real simple message. The main thing, well, it's not the main thing, but one of the nicest ingredients into becoming supernatural, a supreme being, is pretty much be sure to unplug yourself from all of the bullshit. Unplug yourself from everybody's ideologies, theories, right? And learn what you want in existence and develop that to the highest plane possible, all right? After all, the whole idea of existence is to leave here in a higher state of consciousness in which you came. I'm out. I'm Nate the Great.